Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to use Claude AI for YouTube script writing. So if you have a YouTube channel and you want to create scripts fast, Claude AI will do that for you. And I'm going to show you how. I've got a prompt for you that works quite well. So I'm just going to flick over to my Google Docs. So I'm telling Claude to act as an experienced scriptwriter, right? So here you want to put in 5, 10, 20, however many minutes you want the script to be. YouTube script about. Then you're going to add in your video subject or title then you're going to fill your tone in. So fun, engaging, mysterious. Include an intro, a hook, the body content, and a call to action at the end. So you can adapt this for any type of YouTube script. So for this tutorial, I'm going to write in 5 minutes for my length. So write a 5-minute YouTube script about, for my subject, I'm going to put something like 5 most deadliest wars of all time. Okay, and I'm going to say fun and engaging tone. Fun and engaging tone. Okay, so act as an experienced scriptwriter. Write a 5-minute YouTube script about the 5 most deadliest wars of all time in a fun and engaging tone. Include an intro, a hook, the body content, and a call to action at the end. So I'm going to copy this and go over to Claude. Let's see what we get. So I'm just going to type it in a new chat. Click go. Let's see what Claude comes up with. So sometimes it can take a few seconds. So it will be reading over my instructions and then it will be checking information online of what to put into the script. So let's have a look. So 5 deadliest wars in human history. So I've got intro, hook. So 700 million people dead. Wow, that's pretty shocking. And then it's going on. Got some body text here. Welcome back, or if you're new here, buckle up because today we're counting down the 5 deadliest wars ever fought on this planet. We're talking empires crumbling, civilizations raised, and numbers so staggering they barely feel real. So that sounds pretty exciting. And then it's going into the script. So death toll 3.5 to 6 million, the Napoleonic War. And as you can see, it's given me 5 of the deadliest wars, and it's finishing with a call to action. So if this video made you think, smash the like button. So it's given me that call to action as well. So that was pretty good from Claude AI. So that's how you use Claude AI to create YouTube scripts. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.